Hello, my students. How are you? Okay, we need to write in your notebook. Please open your notebook and your book. In your notebook, please copy date Wednesday, 22nd of July, 2020. Topics, past events. Performance, talk about where the people were at 8 o'clock. Page 37. I need that you open your book, page 37, please. 37. Okay, we start. And point D. Listen and match. You listen me and read. Okay, start. He is Lancelot. He is Mr. Popped. Lancelot asked, Mr. Popped, were you in the kitchen at 8 o'clock? He said, yes, I was. Nancy, where were you in the kitchen? No, I wasn't. I was with James. Were you and James in the study? No, we weren't. I think we were in the dining room. Mr. Lancelot asked. James, were you and Nancy in the dining room? Yes, we were. And continue with Herbert. Yes, Herbert. Were you in the rose garden at 8 o'clock? Yes, I was. ¿Ok? Miremos ahora la gramática. Dice, were you? Remember, where, vamos a preguntar, utilizamos el verbo to be en pasado de primeras y después el pronombre personal. Le está preguntando directamente a él. Were you? Entonces contesta, yes, I was. Ahorita está preguntando por varios. Ah, no, I'm sorry, por a usted. Where were you in the kitchen? No, I wasn't. Lo niega, no, I wasn't. Aquí sí lo afirmó. Yes, I was. He was in the kitchen at 8 o'clock. But Nancy, where were you in the kitchen? She answered, no, I wasn't. I was with James. Yo estaba, no, yo no estaba, yo estaba. ¿Ok? Yo estaba con James. Were you and James? Ahorita sí está preguntando por los dos. Were you and James in the study? Ella responde, no, we aren't. We are not. I think we were in the dining room. Continue. James, were you and Nancy in the dining room? Yes, we were. Albert, were you in the rose garden at 8 o'clock? Yes, I was. Okay? Continue. Vamos a continuar con la página. Continue in your page, point D. Ok. Vamos a trabajar simultáneamente. Por lo tanto, necesito que abran su libro en la página 37. Point D. The first, listen and match. Tenemos a James, ¿ok? James. Vamos a buscar a James. Here, James. Mira, James. Nos dice, James, were you and Nancy in the dining room? Yes, we were. Entonces la respuesta aquí sería la número 3. Very good. 3. Mr. Potts. Por favor, ¿ya lo hicieron en su libro? Right, number 3. And now, Mr. Potts. Nos vamos para Mr. Potts. Pregunta, Lancelot. Were you in the kitchen at 8 o'clock? Yes, I was. Entonces, Mr. Potts, number 2. Very good. And now, Nancy. Nos dice, oh, I'm sorry. Nancy, wait for me. Like this, excellent. Nancy, where were you in the kitchen? No, I wasn't. I was with James. Were you and James in the study? No, we weren't. I think we were in the dining room. I think we were in the dining room. Okay, Nancy, in the dining room. Number 3. And Helbert. Found Helbert. Busquemos a Helbert. Helbert, were you in the Rose Garden at, okay, un espacio por favor, at 8 o'clock? Yes, I was. Entonces, Helbert number 1. Excellent. And now continue with F. Point F. Complete the conversation with where, was, or wasn't. Yo se las leo y ustedes la completan, por favor. En este momento trabajamos en el libro. Lancelot. Were you in the dining room, James? James. Yes, I was. Lancelot. Mr. Potts. Were you in the rose garden? Mr. Potts. No, I wasn't. Okay, very good. This is the activity for today. Bye, my students. Have a good day. Please copy that in your notebook. Okay, copy that in your notebook. Bye. See you.